What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Harmo back with another freaking video. I know I haven't been posting. I've been working on this vlog. This vlog is so long, but this video gonna be up before the vlog. I would like to thank UNicehair for collabing with me. Y'all see my hair look a mess. I took my prom hair out. Prom vlog coming soon, but y'all gotta wait. Like, I got a lot of videos that's coming. I just gotta edit them, so bear with me. But today I'll be filming my hair video that should be out soon. My hair has been washed. It's conditioner my hair still, so I'm gonna rinse it out and we're gonna style this wig. This is a V-part wig. You can do leave out and no leave out, and it's easy install. You don't need no glue and you don't need no gel, so this is right up my alley. So when you open the box, if my background look a mess, ignore it. It comes like this, real classy, you know what I'm saying? I'll open that thing up. This is my first time seeing it. I had to open it, so uh-oh, inches. Hold on, we got some inches. The link to this wig will be in the description box below. Oh, y'all, it's giving body. I'll open this up. This is what it's giving. This is so cute, y'all. I believe it's natural black. Okay, so this is the wig. It comes with goodies. This is also one of their affordable wigs. Lashes, wig cap, a brush, I believe. I love these little makeup brushes. They're so cute. Comes like this. Yes, and the little brushes. So cute. And they be so soft. Also, a wig band. Okay. Another wig cap. And I believe this is a double pack. Comes with two. And a mirror. Like a mirror keychain, I believe. Or just a mirror that you could put in your purse. This is so cute. Yep, so that was everything that was in my box. I'm gonna get out the shower. I'll be back to install the wig with y'all. I won't talk, but I may do a voiceover. I may not do a voiceover. Explaining to you what I'm doing. This should take little to no time. I believe it's supposed to take 5 minutes. So this is like one of my first times installing a V-part wig. It may take me a little longer. So we gonna see. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is the braid down. I got a V parted out and the rest of my hair in cornrows. Then I put on a wig cap to protect the braids that are exposed, so the clips won't snag on it. It comes with 3 clips in the front, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. I'm unclipping all the clips around so I can snap it on my hair as soon as I put it on. It also comes with an adjustable band. Now I'm putting the wig on. I'm going to line the V along my V part. And as I align it, I put the comb in and snap it down all the way around so the wig can be secure. Now I want to adjust the wig around my ears and everything to make sure it fits comfortably. I do have my edges pulled out to make it look more natural once I comb them back. Now I want to take my weave out and part my hair down a little. Get it as straight as possible and comb out all the kinks with the little tube comb before I start flat ironing my hair. Now I'm going to begin flat ironing my hair to blend my wig out with the wig.
And 7 feet tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. I'm in the light.
Now I'm grabbing the wax stick It's kind of low, so I have to use my finger to get as much as I can get out. But I did replace it. So I'm just gonna wax stick so I can get like a flat install look. Look like a bust down, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to take my hot comb and go around the top to make it as flat as possible for my roots and the back of the wig as well, so it can match and blend seamlessly. Now I'm doing like quick run throughs with the flat iron to make sure it's blended well enough. And just like that, I am all done. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Hold on, I'm gonna stand up. Let me make sure. Y'all see the inches. This is 22 inches. And it's giving what's supposed to give. It's giving city girl ready, you know what I'm saying? Overall, this is some nice hair. It's very soft, smooth, no shedding at all, like zero shedding. It's easy to install and beginner friendly. You can put it in a ponytail and even a claw clip. Y'all know the layer stuff everybody like doing. You could do that with it. You could do 2 braids like this. It's versatile. You could do a method without using leave out, but I use leave out because I don't know, I just want to do leave out method. You just like braid your hair and you put it close together and it looks like a natural scalp. Make sure y'all follow them on Instagram at UNicehair. This is the Instagram tag. Check them out and tell them Itzz.harmo sent you. This wig is a no glue, no gel wig. I didn't use any glue, any hairspray, none of that. All I used was a hot comb, a wax stick, and a flat iron. Yo, that's all I used. And it got this as the end result. You can also do a side part. It depends on how you place the wig. I do middle parts because I love me a good middle part. Side part's not really my thing, but I might try it next time because I really like this hair on me. It's so cute. That's it, y'all. I rate this wig a 10 out of 10. This was one of the easiest wigs I ever had to work with. And it does not shed, which is great. Most wigs shed and it doesn't stink. Y'all know how the wigs be smelling when you take them out the pack. Yeah, this didn't have that smell. Comment down below how y'all like this hair on me. 1 through 10. I'm gonna give it a 10. Yeah, I just feel like it looks that good to give it a 10. Thank you, UNicehair, for collabing with me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at @Itzz.harmo 2 Y's and on TikTok at OK.harmo. And I'll catch y'all next time. And this wig link will be in my description box down below. So make sure you click the link and purchase it so we all can be looking good out here. Spring is coming to an end. Summer's coming up very soon. If you're in high school, we're about to be out of school soon. So be ready. Have y'all hair on deck. And I'll catch you next time. And I'm out. Bye, guys.
Pop out at your party, I'm with the gang, and there's gonna be a